Hi, today we are visiting the villas at Presley Lake. This is a community by O'Dwyer Homes, and it is about midway between Woodstock, Georgia and Roswell, Georgia, just off of Highway 92, and we are north of Atlanta. The home we're going to tour today is the Newport Plan, and it is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,000 square feet, and this one happens to be on a full basement. The homes in the villas at Presley Lake run in the low to mid 500s, but if you are adding a basement, you're looking at another roughly $75,000 to include that. Let's go in and take a look at it. Here's where you'll enter the community, and we go all the way back. The lake is going to be toward the back of the neighborhood, as well as the fitness facility and the pool. Let's go take a look at the Newport. This particular home is brick, 4-sided brick. As you come in, you'll notice there's hardwood floors. On the right, we have our first bedroom and a hall bath. Nice tiled shower with a frameless shower glass door. Your linen closet. And then we're immediately into the open living area. The kitchen has granite countertops, undermount sink, gas top on your range, microwave. Nice dining area, plenty of space, and a gas fireplace. As you make your way over here, there is a very nice sized pantry. This is your entrance to the basement. Laundry area. And this is just off of the very large garage. I know you want to see the outside, so let's go take a look. The wind's blowing. It's a nice breezy afternoon in Georgia. I love how the woods are behind you. Offers a lot of privacy. This is a nice sized deck off the back of the home, and one of the features here is the primary suite on the main level. The primary bathroom also has dual vanities, granite countertops. Take a look at this shower. Tiled shower, bench, and insert. You have your water closet and the main primary closet here, which is quite large and accommodating. Let's take a look upstairs. Now, all of your main living can be done right here on the main level, but if you need the space or you have people coming over to hang out with you for the weekend, you've got plenty of room up here. Another bedroom with a full bath, tile surround, nice sized closet, and a bedroom. Then across the hall, well, here's another closet for storage and another small bedroom, or you may choose to make this an office. Let's take a look at that basement. So here we have an unfinished basement. It is studded and ready to finish out. This is where your bathroom would be. It's already stubbed for a bath. There's your water heater. Tons of space down here. Board walls and exit to the lower patio. Well, that concludes our tour of the Newport Plan in villas at Presley Lake. Be sure to let me know if you'd like to see these or anything else in North Atlanta. All of my contact information is below, and be sure that you like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future tours.